On this adventure, I'll be taking you to Riley Park in Noble, Oklahoma. Noble is known as the Rose Rock capital of the world. Noble is directly south of Norman, Oklahoma, and is the third largest city in Cleveland County behind Norman and Moore. The 2020 census population was 6,985 residents, which was a 7.8% increase from the 2010 census. It was a lovely fall day when I visited the park, and I hope you enjoy the scenery. I was not alone on this visit. My daughter and our corgi, London, accompanied me on this pretty day at the park. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Riley Park or if you've been to Noble, Oklahoma. Santa Fe Railroad Bridge. Just prior to the Great Land Run of 1889, the Santa Fe Railroad was constructed through central Oklahoma in 1886 to 1887. A two-team race employed 5,000 laborers, 2,000 teams of horses and mules, and 100 engineers. The southern team left Fort Worth, Texas, and the northern team from Arkansas City, Kansas. The first team to arrive in Purcell, Oklahoma would win. In the south, towns sprang up as the tracks pushed north. Many towns like Wayne, Wynnewood, Overbrook, Marietta, Berwyn, and Ardmore were named after towns in Pennsylvania by the workers. Berwyn was renamed Gene Autry in 1941. The Santa Fe route crossing Oklahoma followed an old cattle trail, as later would US 77 and then I-35. The tracks came together in Purcell on April 26, 1887, the northern team winning the race by only 4 hours. The first train to travel across this bridge was on June 13, 1887. The Santa Fe Railroad was key to the establishment of Noble on April 22, 1889. The train bridge was used for 60 years before being abandoned in 1947 when the railroad moved slightly to the west to improve the grade. The bridge stands tribute to the rich history of Noble. Every time I come here, it's really wet. It's just after a rain. I'm never able to go to the other side of the tunnel and look to see what the other side is all about. Maybe someday.
Thank you.
Briley Park is a great little park with a little bit of Oklahoma history. Unfortunately, you're not allowed to skateboard, rollerblade, no motorbikes, or bike riding. There's a small pavilion, restrooms, picnic tables with grills, and dogs are allowed on leash. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye for now.